Will you be surprised if I told you that thousands of plant saplings can grow from just a tiny piece of a single plant? Well, don't be, because humans have figured out how to do it. It's called tissue culture, and it's changing agriculture forever. Tissue culture, also known as micropropagation, is a modern biotechnological method that lets us grow entire plants from just cells, tissues, or small organs in a sterile, nutrient-rich medium, all under controlled lab conditions. It all starts with something called an explant, a small part of the plant like a leaf, stem, root, bud, or meristem. It's selected based on desired traits and ability to regenerate. Before culturing, it's washed and surface sterilized, to keep the process 100% free from bacteria or fungi. In just weeks, the explant starts developing into multiple plantlets. These are genetically identical clones, making it possible to grow thousands of plants from a single source. One major benefit? We can produce disease-free and pest-free plants, especially important for crops like citrus, cassava, and sweet potato that are vulnerable to viruses. Tissue culture also helps conserve rare or endangered plants, by safely propagating and storing them, protecting biodiversity. And unlike traditional farming, this process isn't limited by seasons. Plants can be produced year-round in controlled conditions. Tissue culture also supports genetic engineering. Scientists can introduce genes that improve drought tolerance, pest resistance, or nutrition, then regenerate entire transgenic plants from just a few cells. But it doesn't stop there. Plant cell cultures can also produce bioactive compounds like medicines, flavors, fragrances, and pigments, without ever harvesting the full plant. Of course, it's not all easy. Setting up a tissue culture lab is expensive. It requires specialized equipment, trained staff, and strict sterile conditions. But despite the challenges, tissue culture is a game changer. It's helping us grow more food, protect rare species, and even prepare crops for climate change. As this technology becomes more accessible, it's set to play a major role in sustainable agriculture, food security, and the future of farming. If this blew your mind, give it a thumbs up. Share to spread the knowledge and hit subscribe for more science that makes sense. Let's grow together, literally.